In today's topic we are going to look at the text toolbar. This is pretty simple, so all we can do is we can just select this toolbar, and let me select one of the slide, and all you can do is you can type the text, any text you want. Let's say like welcome, right? And you can select the font what you like, for example Gloria, or like any other font you want. For example this font, you can select any font you want, so just give it a try. For example, let me add this welcome in here. Okay, so this has been added. Now let me add few more words so we can differentiate between the fonts, right? So the next font would be like welcome, like soon, so let me use this one, right? Okay, so let's try to find the difference. Okay, so there is some difference, right? But let's say you do not find the font you like. For example, you have few choices, but you want the font has to be different, right? So at that point what you can do, you can just upload the font what you like. So for that, let me give you one example. For me, I can just go to Google Fonts and I can download any fonts I like. So this is one of the font I found, which is like finger paint. So let me download this, and once it is downloaded, we can just import that font. All right, so let's see. So since it has been downloaded, so let's go to the download and let's go to extract. All right, so this is the font. Now let me go into the software and import, so upload custom fonts, and I can show the path in here. Like I can just go to that font I downloaded and select it, right? Okay, so this font has been selected and it is always going to be at bottom, right? So this is like finger font. So let me add some text in here, which is how are you doing. All right, so let's add to the slide. Now after that, you can see there is a difference in the font, right? So as per that, you can like download as many fonts you want. You can just visit the Google website and you can go to the fonts, and any fonts you like, you can just do the search in the font. So for example, related to sketch, so this is the font I can just download as we saw earlier. So it's downloaded. Now let me go into the folder in again. I can just extract the other font. Alright, it's like regular and bold, so I'll just go with the regular for now. So I can go to the software. Let me add the new slide and first import that new font. Let's go to the new font, cabin sketch. I can add both, but let me just add only regular style, how that look like. So it's been imported in here. So let me add like welcome to the VityBoard. All right, and let me just press enter. It's going to be, come in here. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can use any fonts you want. So this is all about the fonts and the font style you can use. All right, so this for now, and I'll see you in the next one.